to this channel. We're looking at integral of a product of sine and cosine of different angle, a product of sine and sine of different angle, and then lastly a product of what? Cosine, okay, of different angle. So how do we get the integral of those functions? So in this case now, this will call for trig identity, or what we call addition formulae. So I'm going to list the identity one after the other. The first one, sine A cos B, is going to give us half, then open your brackets, and that will be what? Sine A minus B plus sine A plus B. Then the second one is when you have a product of sine A, sine B. So in this case now, it's going to be what? Half, then open your brackets, and that will be what? That will be cos A minus B, and then plus cos A plus B. The third one is when you have a product of cosine function. The addition formula is what? Is this cos A. Sorry, this one there will be minus. Here is minus. Here is minus. In between this one minus this function. Then the third one, that will be A minus B plus what? Plus cos A plus B. For the first question, we have this. Let's see solution to the first question, number one. What we are going to do, integral of sine 3 theta cos 2 theta, the theta, is going to give us, this is a product of what? Sine and cosine, and that is the case of this one. Okay, and that will give us what? Half, you can take it outside, that will be integral of sine. The angle here, this is your A, and this is your B. So A minus B, that's 3 theta minus 2 theta plus sine A plus B, 3 theta plus 2 theta, 3 theta plus 2 theta, the theta. So we have what? Half into brackets. We have sine theta plus sine 5 theta. Integral of sine is what? Is minus cos theta plus integral of sine 5 theta. That will be what? That will be minus cos the function 5 theta over 5, then plus what? Plus c. The second one, integral of, so this is case 2, okay, integral, open your brackets, that will be what? That will be cos. This is your A, this is your what? This is your B, and that will be x minus x over 2, okay, then minus cos this plus this. Put your dx there. So we now have now 1 over 2, integral of, open the brackets, this is 1 minus half, that's x, that's a cos x over 2, okay, then minus this one, 1 plus half, that's 3 over 2, so that's a cos 3x over 2, okay, dx. Okay, on the final note, we're going to have this one, open the brackets, this one, integral of cosine is sine of the function, but we are going to divide by derivative of this inner function, which is what? Over what? Over 1 over 2, and that will be what? That will flip upside down, that will be times 2. Then minus, this one also, integral of cosine is what? Is sine of the function, okay, plus c, but we need to what? We need to divide by derivative of this inner function. Derivative of 3 over 2x will give us what? 3 over 2, so over 3 over 2. So it's going to flip upside down, and that will be 2 over 3. Close the brackets here. So that is the answer for that case. Okay, if you open the brackets, so that will be equal to what? That will be this one, these two will cancel here. We have what? We have a sine x over 2. Then this one, 1 over 2 times this one, that will be what? These two also will cancel. We have minus 1 over 3, sine 3x over 2, and then plus what? Plus. The third one, this one, that will be integral of cos 5x cos 3x dx. So this will be equal to what? Half, open your brackets, integral of what? Cos. This is your A, your 5x is A, your 3x is what? Is B. So 5x minus 3x, then plus cos 5x plus 3x, that's what? 8x, and what? Yes. So this one, 5x minus 3x, that's what? That's 2x. So you can begin to integrate now. If you integrate cosine, that will give you sine of the function, that's 2x. Then you divide by what? By derivative of that function over what? Over 2. Then plus this one also, that's sine what? Sine 8x. Then you divide also by derivative of the inner function over 8. Close the brackets. plus what? Plus c. So that would be 1 over 4, 2x plus 1 over 16 sine what? 8x plus what? Plus c. So, and that finished that question. Please, if you're new on the channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. For my returning viewers, please begin to type your comment now, click on like button and share the links of this video on your social media platform. Thank you for doing that.